Welcome back, friends. If you're here today because you've been feeling low on energy, a little tired, or you just want something simple and uplifting to help you stay healthy as the years go by, this video is for you. Before we begin, take a deep breath. You're doing great. Aging isn't about slowing down. It's about growing wiser, kinder, and more connected to yourself. And sometimes, all we need is a gentle reminder that caring for our bodies doesn't have to be complicated. On the days when your energy is low, when cooking feels overwhelming, or when motivation slips away, remember, small steps still count. In fact, they matter the most. Today, I want to share a few simple 10-minute meal ideas and tiny lifestyle habits that can keep you nourished, active, and feeling youthful, even on your slowest days. On days when energy feels low and motivation disappears. It's easy to believe that healthy habits require big efforts, long routines, or perfect discipline. But the truth is that well-being is built on small actions, tiny choices that gently nudge the body and mind toward balance. These small steps are not only enough, they are powerful, dependable, and compassionate. When you choose a simple 10-minute meal instead of skipping food, your body receives the nourishment it needs to stay strong. When you select ingredients that require no chopping or heavy cooking, you give yourself permission to care for your health without overwhelming yourself. And when you decide to take even a few deep breaths or stretch your arms for a moment, you activate your muscles, calm your nervous system, and remind your body that it is still capable and deserving of attention. These actions may feel small, but they accumulate in ways that support long-term vitality. Small steps also remove pressure. Aging brings its own set of challenges: fatigue, slower digestion, stiffness, or days when everything simply feels heavy. On those days, expecting yourself to follow complex routines can create frustration or guilt. But choosing simplicity creates relief. When you allow yourself to do less, you give space for consistency. And consistency is the foundation of healthy aging. A bowl of quick oats with berries may not seem like a transformative meal, but over time, it supports heart health, digestion, and stable energy. A quick salad made with canned beans and fresh lemon might feel too easy, but it provides fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that older adults often need more of. Frozen vegetables can be heated in minutes and deliver vitamins that help maintain immunity and strength. None of these steps require energy you don't have, yet they give energy back to you. Small steps also strengthen your mindset. When you make one gentle choice, whether it's eating a nourishing meal, taking a few minutes to stretch, or drinking water first thing in the morning, you prove to yourself that you're still in control of your well-being. You create a sense of capability. You remind yourself that caring for your body isn't about perfection or youth. It's about honoring where you are today. This mindset reduces stress, improves emotional resilience, and supports a more joyful outlook on life. A healthy mind makes it easier to make healthy choices, and healthy choices further support a healthy mind. It becomes a cycle of kindness toward yourself. These small steps build momentum. Even when energy is low, forming one gentle habit can lead to another. A simple meal may inspire a short walk. A short walk may encourage a glass of water. Drinking water might spark the desire to stretch. Before you know it, you've created a chain of small victories without forcing anything. That's the beauty of tiny habits. They adapt to your life, your age, and your energy level, rather than demanding drastic change. And as the days pass, these small moments of care shape a life of steadiness, health, and confidence. Quick 10-minute meals have the ability to nourish the body deeply, especially for older adults, whose nutritional needs often increase even as their appetite or energy decreases. When you choose meals that require minimal preparation yet offer balanced nutrients, you give your body exactly what it needs without draining your strength. Foods like berries, nuts, leafy greens, beans, and whole grains are dense in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that support heart health, brain function, muscle maintenance, and immune strength. Even if the meal is simple, its impact on your energy levels can be significant. A warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fruit supports steady blood sugar and mental clarity. A chickpea salad takes only a few minutes and delivers protein and minerals that help maintain muscle mass. A quick vegetable stir-fry with frozen veggies provides essential nutrients that protect overall health. The convenience of 10-minute meals is not just about saving time, it's also about lowering the barrier to making healthy decisions. When you're tired, your mind naturally looks for the easiest option, and if that option is both nourishing and simple, you're far more likely to follow through. This reduces the temptation to skip meals or choose processed foods that leave the body sluggish. Instead, these quick meals give you lasting fuel, support digestion, and stabilize mood. By keeping ingredients like canned beans, hummus, whole grain wraps, and pre-washed greens in your kitchen, you make healthy eating effortless even on your toughest days. Another benefit of these easy meals is that they help older adults maintain independence. Preparing something simple and nutritious can boost confidence and provide a sense of control. It's empowering to know that you can support your health without needing complicated recipes or long hours in the kitchen. Food becomes an ally, something that helps your body stay steady and strong. The act of preparing a simple meal can even become a small ritual of care, a moment to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your needs. Quick meals also encourage variety. Because they take only minutes, it's easy to rotate between different ingredients, giving your body a wide range of nutrients throughout the week. One day you might make a fruit and nut yogurt bowl, and the next you might heat up a quick lentil soup or prepare avocado toast with seeds. These small variations keep eating enjoyable and prevent the boredom that leads people to abandon healthy habits. With a little creativity, 10-minute meals can feel satisfying, comforting, and full of flavor for older adults. Balanced nutrition is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining energy and quality of life. Every easy meal you prepare is a step towards supporting your body's longevity. These meals are not shortcuts, they are smart, efficient ways to protect your health without overwhelming yourself. In just a few minutes, you can give your body strength, stability, and the nutrients it needs to stay vibrant. Light movement plays a profoundly important role in maintaining energy, mobility, and overall health, especially for older adults. Many people assume that improving physical health requires intense workouts, long sessions, or exercise routines that feel demanding. But the body responds incredibly well to gentle, consistent movement. Even a few minutes of stretching, walking slowly around the house, or rotating your shoulders can activate muscles, increase circulation, and enhance oxygen flow. These simple actions help reduce stiffness, improve balance, and support joint health. They also stimulate the release of feel-good hormones that elevate mood and reduce stress. The beauty of light movement is that it adapts to your energy level. On days when strength feels low, small movements can be enough to keep the body flexible and the mind alert. Lifting your arms overhead, bending side to side, or practicing ankle rotations can wake up muscles that otherwise become tense or tight. These actions help maintain mobility, which is essential for independence as you age. Regular, gentle movement protects the joints, supports posture, and reduces the risk of injury. It's not the intensity that matters, it's the consistency. Light movement also supports the heart. When you take even a short walk, your heart pumps a little faster, improving circulation and helping deliver nutrients to your organs. This gentle cardiovascular activation can increase energy levels and reduce feelings of fatigue. Many older adults find that just 5 minutes of light movement can make them feel more awake and refreshed, almost as though their body has come back online. Movement keeps the metabolism steady and supports healthier digestion, which can be especially helpful during aging. Another meaningful benefit is the impact on mental well-being. Movement clears mental fog and boosts emotional resilience. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and strengthens the connection between your mind and body. When you stretch your muscles or take a few slow steps, you remind yourself that your body is capable. This feeling builds confidence and encourages more movement over time. It becomes easier to engage in small activities, watering plants, tidying a corner of the room, or stepping outside for fresh air. Light activity can also be woven naturally into daily life without creating pressure. You might stretch your arms while waiting for the kettle to boil, rotate your wrists while watching television, or walk around your home while talking on the phone. These small habits accumulate and create a foundation of daily movement that supports overall wellness. Over time, the body becomes more flexible, stronger, and more balanced.